Minnesota, protective agent for fee bond. What is a protective agent for fee? $10,000. Bond. A protective agent for fee bond is a form of insurance that provides financial protection to clients and the public in case a protective agent engages in dishonest or unlawful behavior. This bond is a requirement set by the state of Minnesota for individuals or companies offering protective services for a fee. Why is it necessary? The primary purpose of the protective agent for fee bond is to ensure accountability and trustworthiness within the protective services industry. By obtaining this bond, protective agents commit to upholding ethical standards and adhering to state regulations. It serves as a safeguard for clients and the public, offering recourse in case of misconduct or negligence on the part of the protective agent. Understanding the $10,000 requirement. The $10,000 in the bond's name refers to the amount of coverage provided by the bond. This means that in the event of a valid claim against the protective agent, up to $10,000 will be available to compensate the affected party. It's important to note that this coverage amount is predetermined by the state and must be maintained throughout the duration of the protective agent's licensure. Who needs to obtain this bond? Any individual or company operating as a protective agent for a fee in Minnesota is required to obtain the protective agent for fee bond. This includes private investigators, security guards, bodyguards, and other professionals offering protective services for compensation. How to obtain the bond? To obtain the protective agent for fee bond, protective agents must work with a licensed surety bond provider. The process typically involves completing an application, undergoing a credit check, and paying a premium based on factors such as the agent's creditworthiness and the coverage amount required. Once approved, the bond is issued and must be filed with the appropriate state authorities before the protective agent can begin offering services. Consequences of non-compliance failure. To obtain or maintain the protective agent for fee, $10,000. Bond can have serious consequences for protective agents. Without the bond, they are not legally permitted to offer protective services for a fee in Minnesota. Additionally, operating without the required bond can result in fines, penalties, and even suspension or revocation of licensure.